Hello viewers, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the notification bell to get prompt news updates of our new posts and live streaming. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at yorubakingdomtv.com. Thanks.
God, it's Nigerian nation. Let me say country because that shithole is not a country. It's Nigeria country worth dying for. Should we die in their war? These politicians called elite, evildoers, killers, these self-centered people, selfish interest guys all over the places, all over the country in that Nigeria. Should we continue kill ourselves and die in their war? In my opinion, the answer is no. Nigeria should not be a one country. The atrocities that these people are committing in that country is getting out of hands. In just concluding the election, look at what happened, look at what transpired. They promised and they couldn't even fulfill their promises. So what are they teaching the upcoming generation, unborn children? Nothing to show for. Nothing. Zero. We're talking about electricity? Zero. Road? Zero. Can you imagine when they were shouting there is an infrastructure about train, railway and all that? Zero. Is that railway? In context, tẹ́ fún àpẹẹrẹ ní 100 naira tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé kò ju 3 naira. This is so bad. You guys are shameless guys. And àwọn ọmọ yín wọ́n dẹ̀ ń wò yín ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ibi wọ̀nyí. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé nemesis máa tẹ̀ lórí wọn pé ayé wọn lẹ̀ ń bàjẹ́. Lord have mercy. Èyí tó jẹ́ àwọn tó ń jí owó yìí gan pamọ́. Before now, where are they now? Where are the children? That is why the Bible says, all in vanity. How I wish each and everybody will be able to think like Mbulanko Elosi. How I wish each and everybody should be able to think like, if I close my eyes today and I couldn't wake up again the next day, what will happen? God. So the thing is this, in my own opinion and point of view, you can do whatever you think you want to do, but at least live and let others live. How can someone have money in the bank and he couldn't have access to his own sweat just to eat? It doesn't make any sense. Just because you are aspiring to be president of a country, that shithole country, that you yourself, you cannot even walk freely in your own community. And you say you are this, you are that, you are this, you are that. You call yourself a politician. You don't feel ashamed of yourself. And you travel out of the world and you see how it happened all over the world. You can't even feel ashamed of yourself that you cannot even go into your own family house without having AK-47 surround you. Is that a life? I might be wrong, but I don't know. Is this life? Billions and billions and billions of nairas and dollars for an election like this, and someone now come after me like, hey, and I keep looking at them like, what are they out of their mindset? I am talking about of national interest, not anything has to do with personal interest this time, okay? And if I'm protecting my culture, protecting my inheritance, protecting my heritage, and protecting who I am, that has nothing to do with a political mindset. And let me tell you, what tó ń sọ pé politician ni, ṣé kò sí politics ní family kankan, ṣé kò sí politics nílé ẹ̀, ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láàrin wọ pẹ̀lú ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Selfish interest, pé bàbá kan tán pè ní Awólọ́wọ̀ fẹ́ rule as a president, ó lọ pé àwọn kan mọ́ra. At the end of the day, wọ́n ta látẹ̀yìn. But before that, àwọn ará òkè ọya sọ pé àwọn ò dúró. Only we are brothers. National interest tiẹ̀ kò jà fún, òun ló fi débi tí a ṣe wà lónìí tá àti èkó lórí ẹ̀. Ẹnìkan wá ń sọ wípé kán gba ojú wọn bá lè já ni. No, you are wrong. It doesn't work like that. In everywhere in the whole world, ilẹ̀ ṣe pàtàkì. And let me tell you, here in America, do you know the people that owns this land? Where are they today? Think about it. The people that owns Canada, Australia, and I can keep mentioning on and on and on. Or if anybody wants to say no man's land, it should be the people that you even have a boundary with. You don't even have a boundary with them. So I'm not preaching for anybody. And you are free to go and vote for anybody, anyone you like. Choose and follow your own conscience. If you want to sell your inheritance to someone, go ahead, so be it. It's your own cup of tea. That has nothing to do with me. But look at the wickedness in that Nigeria. All I want is Nigeria. Everybody should go thy tent, O Israel. It's the best way before it is too late. And we don't want war. We don't need it, because innocent people will suffer. Can you imagine? Watch this video.
More than 100 bags. They cry for money, see everywhere. Now money don't talk to.
Boy, and they hear say they catch those guys.
They catch them.
Hey, who catch them? Now people will see them.
The people will come drop them.
Hey, they say they catch them. See money. Kai. Jesus. Oh my God. Hey.
They don't.
Now trailer.
They don't support this country.
Now trailer they take enter. They can't use back. Come the offroad.
Money full here.
See, now if it is so. See. It's 500 though. Men I see now 500 naira. Men I see.
I'm only for this bag, so.
See. It's 500 though. Nigerian money.
This is wicked.
Hey! See!
Kuɗi na samu cikin wahala. Ku ji ba ku gani kowa ku gani da ma'aikata da kowa da kowa.
Live on.
Guguwa an dike su. Jama'a ku ji ba ku gani. Allah ya isa.
Ah!
It's more than lamenting. You see how wicked your elite, my elite, political class, you see how wicked they are? How much would that money be? And we were condemning Buhari or Emefiele for coming up with this policy. Should we blame them now? or we blame you and I that we keep pushing for the evildoers. We could keep bringing them into the power. Let's fight for our nationality, not for the self-centered way in our mind. Anywhere. I don't care about that. Do your things and let others live, okay? Nigeria is not a nation. Okay, it's just an geographical impression. Baba Awolowo made a mistake. Don't let us make this a mistake again, okay? And national interest should be superseded to our personal interest. And I will show you this video again before I raise my case. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do now. And if you have any message for me, you can leave it in the comment section and I will surely reply and I will read your comment. You are entitled to your opinion, but mindful, be respectful in all your comments. Everybody has his own opinion, and that is my point of view. My inheritance is important, and I'm gonna die in their war. Likewise, you don't die in their war. Politics or no politics, I don't care about it. Thank you. Once again, my name is Eric, and everybody call me Baba Aropo, and I say, make it a great day. Love you all.
Parents, listen to your children. Hey, we are the. Shut up, Obi. Leader, walk powerful in. We are not leader of tomorrow. Ẹ tó wà ńbẹ̀ láti 1984. Òun ló tún wà ńbẹ̀ ńsìn. You are not worse. Obi, ẹ̀yin ọmọkọ́tà ẹ̀ ṣe o. Ọmọkọ́tà ẹ̀ ṣe o. Leader of tomorrow. Báyọ̀ sọ fáwọn náà school nìyẹn o. Leader àgbèrò lápadà wá ṣe o. Ẹ̀yin ò ní ṣe leader àgbèrò. Ẹ̀ ní ṣe leader àgbèrò. Olórí burúkú ni wọ́n o.
Àwọn yóò sì kọjá lórí kìnìún ẹgbọ̀rọ̀ kìnìún ìjọ ńlá yóò fẹ̀ sí wa tẹ̀mọ́lẹ̀ tó gbóró àní ìfẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wa nítorí lọ́ọ́ ṣe gbà wọ́n lọ́wọ́ àgọ́ alẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ìlú ọ̀bọ̀ ọ̀la fún wa ẹ̀mí gígùn lọ́nà fi tẹ̀ wá lé ọ.